How can I tell if my whirlpool washer drive block is bad? The videos show replacing one for another that looks the same. I'm down to that parts removal, but it looks okay to me. The washer wouldn't spin but would fill. After unplugging for 1 minute now the water won't fill either. I've taken it apart, hence my question about the drive block.
Hello, thank you for using this service. I will be helping you with your problem today. Can you get us the full model number from the tag under the lid?
LSW 9700PQ0.
On this machine the drive block is actually a drive coupling. These are easy to change and there is a video on how to do this as well. You can order it here. Click this blue link. http://www.repairclinic.com/part details/motor coupling/2857538/1195967 model number equals LSW 9700PQ0 Mercate equals 1000065. Hope this helps. Thanks, Bryan.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.